Imagine turning your first $1,000 into the start of real wealth. Even if you live in a high-cost state like California, rent's due Friday, and you feel late to investing. Today, I'll show you exactly where to put your first $1,000 in 2025, step by step, with USA-specific tips, taxes, and real examples from Texas, New York, and Florida. Quick thing, subscribe right now for daily money hacks and simple investing guides. It's free, and it tells YouTube this video helps beginners like you. Do it now so you don't forget. Stay with me. In a few minutes, I'll show the exact order to use your $1,000 so you don't miss free money from your job, tax breaks, or safe growth options. And later, I'll break down 2025 trends like Bitcoin ETFs and record gold prices so you know what's hype versus helpful. The Jasmine in Houston moment, emotion plus relatability. Meet Jasmine from Houston, Texas. She's 27, first full-time job at a hospital, and she has exactly $1,000 saved. She tried TikTok tips, got overwhelmed, and stopped. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Investing isn't about being perfect. It's about creating a simple system you can repeat. Jasmine doesn't need 20 steps, just 4. 1. Safety first, cash cushion that still earns. 2. Grab free money, employer match. 3. Use tax shelters, Roth IRA/HSA. 4. Own broad markets, low-cost index ETFs. Which step feels scariest to you? Comment step 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'll reply with a one-paragraph plan for your situation. Step 1. Safety first, HYSA plus T-bills ladder. Before you invest, you protect yourself. Put $250 to $300 of your $1,000 into a high-yield savings account, HYSA, or short-term treasuries, so a flat tire or copay doesn't force you to use a credit card at 25% APR. In 2025, short-term treasury bill yields hover approximately 3.8% to 4.1% 3-month, which beats many checking accounts and is state tax-free at the federal level. You can buy T-bills inside most brokerages or use a T-bill ETF if you want easy liquidity. USA notes. Interest from treasuries is taxable federally, exempt from state or local taxes. Nice if you live in CA/NY. Cases at banks like Ally, Capital One 360. Markets often change rates. Pick any reputable FDIC-insured option. Rates change often. Shop around. Real quick, are you Team HYSA or Team T-bills for your first $250 cushion? Tell me in the comments. And step 2, grab free money, 401k match first. If your employer offers a 401k match, this is priority number 1 after your tiny safety cushion. In 2025, the 401k employee deferral limit is $23,500, with higher catch-ups for certain ages under Secure 2.0. But for beginners, just contribute at least enough to get the full match. That's instant 100% return on those dollars. Example. Luis in Dallas earns $52,000. His employer matches 100% up to 3% of pay. He contributes 3%, $1,560 per year, to employer adds $1,560. That's free before market growth. Does your job offer a match? Type yes or no, and if it's no, I'll share 2 alternatives you can use. Step 3. Roth IRA, beginner-friendly, tax-free growth. For many beginners, the next best home for your $1,000 is a Roth IRA. Money goes in after tax, grows tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. In 2025, the IRA contribution limit is $7,000, $8,000 if age 50 plus. Income phase-outs for Roth start around $150,000 Magi, single, and $236,000 married filing jointly. Check if you're eligible. How to open. Examples. Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab. Low fees, great index funds. Fund choice. A total U.S. market ETF or S&P 500 ETF is perfectly fine for beginners. If you had to choose one for your Roth IRA, total market, or S&P 500, which one and why? Drop your pick. Bah. Step 4. HSA. If you have an HDHP, triple tax advantage. If you're on a high-deductible health plan, HDHP, and HSA, can be the most tax-efficient account in America. In 2025, you can contribute up to $4,300, self-only, or $8,550, family. Invest inside the HSA and spend later on qualified medical costs tax-free. Pro tip, pay current medical bills out of pocket if you can, save the receipts, and let your HSA compound for years. In retirement, HSA funds used for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. After age 65, non-medical withdrawals are taxed like a traditional IRA. Do you have an HSA through work? If yes, type HSA and I'll share my favorite setup checklist. Step 5. Taxable brokerage. Flexible, fast, fractional. Aftermatch, Roth, HSA. Put the rest in a taxable brokerage. Why? No contribution limits and instant access. Fractional shares make weekly investing easy. $10, $20, whatever you can automate. Start with broad index ETFs, total market or total world. Keep fees low and stick to your plan. Would you automate weekly or bi-weekly buys? Add your schedule in the comments. Public accountability helps. Quick recap of where to put your first $1,000 in 2025. 1. $250 to $300 to HYSA/T-bills cushion. 2. 401k match, at least to the full match. Third Roth IRA if eligible. 4 HSA if HDHP. 5. Taxable brokerage with simple broad ETFs. If this is helping, smash like, subscribe for 2 videos each week, and comment plan so I know to send you my one-page beginner flowchart.